My name is Andre Nel. I'm 25 years old and I'm from East London, South Africa. I'm a teacher, a presentation designer, and a life coach. I consider myself to be one of the luckiest people alive because I was blessed with incredible parents and an amazing brother who made me this driven, passionate, curious, joyful, and abundant person that I am today. Growing up, I basically did two things. I played sport and I learned. And somehow I managed to learn while I play and play while I learn. And I think this really set the tone for me feeling really energized and fulfilled from doing work. I love doing work and creating and sharing with others. So after excelling at school, I went to university to study psychology. To be more specific, I studied human and societal dynamics, which means I learned a lot about communities, about people and how they connect with one another, how people develop and learn and grow. And this really set the tone and probably sparked my desire, my deep desire to connect with others and to teach. So right after university, my wife and I went to China to become teachers. And thanks to COVID, online learning became massive. But this probably set the stage for me to learn one of my greatest passions, presentation design. Because I needed to connect with my students and interact with them without actually being there, I really learned how to make impressive, immersive, interactive PowerPoints. Through them, I learned how to use color, design, movement, and images to really connect with my students and immerse them in this learning process. Because I loved learning, I wanted my students to love learning too. So each PowerPoint that I made, I just got better and better and better. They became more interesting, more immersive, more interactive. And through that, I became more fulfilled, more energized, and more excited to make PowerPoints. So even though PowerPoints are not as necessary as what they was back then during COVID when online learning was so huge, they're really an impressive and great way to connect with people, to pique their interest, and really to immerse them and draw them into whatever it is you're teaching or presenting, to whatever it is that they're learning.